Good day, Doc. My name is Carla Shenas Burgos, and I am from EDM 5E1. And for today's topic is braces and veneers as a status symbol in the Philippines, presented by yours truly. So, in context, the write-up explores the historical and socio-cultural factors that have influenced the perception and pursuits of dental care in the Philippines. It especially examines the trends of Filipino opting for cosmetic dental procedures such as braces and veneers, often for reasons beyond functionality necessity. Uh, they have a topic. We have a topic called historical roots, cultural legacy, then social pressure. So the primary purpose of this write-up is examine the trend. It seeks to understand the reasons beyond the growing popularity of braces and veneers among Filipinos beyond their purely functional benefits. Highlight societal issues. The write-up also aims to shed light on underlying societal issues such as lingering effects of colonization and the pursuits of social status and challenges of accessing affordable healthcare. They also um, have a purpose that is to raise awareness. By examining these issues, the write-up seeks to raise awareness about the importance of mental health and potential negative consequences of prioritizing cosmetic procedures over functional needs. So the main argument or findings in this write-up are about historical influence of colonization, social planning and appearance, prioritization of vanity, influence of media and social norms, economic factors, lack of dental health awareness, and social status and dental procedures. So the strength of this write-up is the comprehensive coverage. The write-up involves detailed overview of the topic, including historical context, current trends, and social implications. Clear and concise language. The writing is generally clear and easy to understand, making the complex topic accessible to a wider audience. They have relevant data and examples. The author supports their arguments with relevant data examples such as statistics on dental decay and anecdotes from a personal experience. And then we have the weaknesses. The weaknesses is the lack of depth. For example, the historical context of Spanish colonization could be explored more in detail to provide a stronger foundation for the understanding the current situation. So they also have over reliance on stereotypes and then limited analysis of underlying issues. The write-up does a good job of describing the current trends in dental care in the Philippines, but could not benefit from more in-depth analysis than the underlying issues that contribute to these trends. So overall assessment, the write-up highlights the complex interplay of historical, cultural, social, and economic factors that influence dental care practices in the Philippines. It underscores the need for greater awareness of dental health, improve access to affordable care, and shift in societal perception from prioritizing cosmetic procedures over essential treatment. That's all. Thank you, Doc.